everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to save Snapchat videos without them knowing. So let's head over to Snapchat for that. Once in there, make sure to log into the desired account and then head over to the DM section. So once you're in your DM section, just head over to any conversation. And if you want to record the snap, don't use your external any sort of like any sort of your screen recorder or external screen recorder, but you can use your phone's inbuilt screen recorder for it. So get tapped on it, or you can just directly tap on it, and here they will show the option of media and mic. Just use the media option and start recording and just open up the snap. In this way, there will be no notification of your screen record or your screenshot. So yeah, this is how you can just do it, and make sure to save the file privately so that no one could get it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.